In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default paste options in OneNote. Managing how content appears when you paste it into OneNote can make a big difference in keeping your notes clean and organized. By adjusting the default paste settings, you gain control over whether your content keeps its original formatting, merges with the existing style, or pastes as plain text. This simple change can save time and ensure consistency throughout your notebooks. To start, open your OneNote application. Whether you're using OneNote for Windows 10 or the desktop version for Microsoft 365, these steps are essentially the same. Once your notebook is open, look toward the upper left corner of the window and click on the File menu. This opens a drop-down that gives you access to a variety of options for managing your notebooks and configuring the app. From the File menu, navigate to Options. Clicking on this will open a new window where you can adjust different settings to personalize your OneNote experience. Here you can tweak your default font, language, and a range of more advanced settings. Within the Options window, locate the Advanced section. The advanced settings contain deeper controls for how OneNote behaves, including editing preferences, interface adjustments, and display options. This is the area where you will find the Paste Options settings, which is what we want to adjust. Once in the advanced settings, scroll to find the Show Paste Options button. Enabling this feature allows you to choose how your content is pasted every time, giving you control over formatting. You can decide to maintain the source formatting, merge it with the current page style, or paste it as plain text, depending on your needs. This flexibility is helpful for keeping your notes consistent and visually clear. After enabling Show Paste Options, scroll to the bottom of the window and click OK to apply your changes. From this point forward, anytime you paste content into OneNote, you will be prompted to select the formatting style you prefer, making your note-taking workflow smoother and more efficient. And that's it. By following these steps, you now have full control over how content is pasted into OneNote, allowing you to focus more on capturing ideas rather than fixing formatting issues. Remember, you can always return to these settings and make adjustments whenever necessary. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.